Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about this is what happens if you eat ginger every day. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Ginger is a spice that has been used in many dishes, desserts, and beverages. All of us have heard about ginger's benefits of ginger for several parts of the body. Some people say that ginger is the root solution to most health issues for everybody, but we may not know that. Is it safe to eat ginger every day? Should we eat it daily? If yes, how much should we consume? Although ginger has many benefits for the body, and its side effects are not that common and harmful, doctors and nutritionists suggest that intake a maximum of 4 grams of ginger every day. The reason why is that it may cause some digestive problems. So, what are the benefits of consuming ginger daily? Is it good enough to include in our daily routine? Stay tuned with us to get your answers. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 8. Effects on acid reflux. If you have felt heartburn before, you know how it looks: painful, annoying, and uncomfortable. It can hit you anytime, anywhere if you consume some specific foods. It could also be genetic. All of us will take medications after feeling this uncomfortable heartburn. But have you ever thought about how long these medications can be effective? What are the side effects of these medications? If you are looking for a better solution for your chronic acid reflux, twice or more times a week, you can try having ginger water. According to sources, both ginger water and ginger tea are helpful for this problem and will alleviate the pain. If you don't like its taste, you can add 1 tablespoon of honey to it. Consume these two and you will see your heartburn will go away after a few weeks, because ginger decreases the production of too much acidity in your stomach. Absolutely, ginger is a safer and chemical-free treatment for your problem. Number 7. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger could be a perfect choice for those who have joint inflammation. There is a substance in ginger that is essentially an anti-inflammatory property that helps the reduction of pain and suffering in your joints. It can eliminate discomfort in your joints and boost your overall health, and as a result, improve the functionality of your joints. To get this benefit of ginger, you should consume it regularly. Number 6. Morning sickness remedy. Morning sickness is a problem that happens for pregnant women. Mothers in their first trimester have awful symptoms such as morning sickness. This is the feeling of nausea that will cause constant discomfort for them. This may lead to daily nausea and even vomiting right at the beginning of the day. Many people report that ginger helps them a lot in this situation, and it could be a wonderful remedy. But make sure to consult with your doctor before consuming ginger, and keep its consumption in moderation, because it has been shown by many sources that eating too much ginger during pregnancy can lead to miscarriage. Not only for pregnant women but also for those who suffer from car or seasickness, ginger could be helpful to reduce the symptoms of nausea and vomiting. Number 5. Fighting cancer. There are many reliable sources that ginger can fight cancer cells because it has a compound that kills the roots of some specific cancers such as breast cancer. Ginger is an effective solution to fight against ovarian cancer cells. This helpful compound is gingerol, which is a powerful anti-cancer property. This compound can be found in a large amount of raw ginger. Gingerol is an antioxidant that has many other benefits for the body, such as reducing oxidative stress and limiting free radical damage in the body. Number 4. Say goodbye to headache. Headache occurs very often for most people. Headaches can have many reasons and many different types. Most people look for immediate relief from their headaches by using medications. But medications are not always the perfect choice, because they have several side effects. This is on you to discover the reason for your headaches and then look for a remedy. Generally speaking, Ginger could be a good option to relieve headache pain. Drink ginger tea daily and you will see your headaches are getting less and less. Number 3. Weight loss assistant. If you are tired of trying several types of diets, and you haven't reached your goal yet, try incorporating ginger into your daily routine. Ginger, this magical root, has 2 excellent compounds known as gingerol and shogaol, which are 2 antioxidants that help the body in the weight loss process because they activate biological functions of the body, and as a result, your metabolism will increase, and the weight loss process accelerates. Having ginger tea in the evening is a great way to kick off your metabolism and lose some weight. It also keeps you full for longer and prevents you from having too many calories and overeating. Number 2. Reducing pain. It's not that uncommon for all of us to have muscle pain that lasts for a few days. This happens a lot after an intense workout, and this pain is very uncomforting and annoying and prevents us from doing our daily activities like before. It may be surprising, but ginger can decrease muscle pain and soreness very quickly. This is because ginger includes a wide range of antioxidants that can fight against free radicals that damage the body. Having 2 grams of ginger per day can reduce the pain of post-workout muscle discomfort. There are several studies that indicate those who consume ginger, raw, tea, or ginger water, recover faster from muscle pain and soreness. Number 1. Lowering blood sugar. Ginger has powerful anti-diabetic properties, especially for those who suffer from type 2 diabetes. The reason why is that ginger has properties that can regulate the production of insulin in people with diabetes. Although eating ginger every day is healthy and is highly recommended to lower blood sugar, you should not consume more than 2 grams to prevent other side effects. Don't you know how to add ginger to your diet? There are several ways. You can make ginger tea as we told you before. You can pour its powder on your dishes as a spice, and many more. Ginger has many benefits for the body and brain if consumed in moderation. Actually, it is one of the superfoods that are worthy to try. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.